everybody. Oh, well. Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I want to show you a couple items from the September Club of the Month from Spellbinders. They did send these to me so that I could show them for you. So I just wanted to give you a little picture of what they have available in case you wanted to jump out and buy it while they're still available. And I will be creating with these as well. First up, I want to show you the Glimmer Plate of the Month. It is a super cool looking, I don't know, it gives me zombie vibes, or not zombie, mummy vibes. And fighting with these. There are also two sentiments. This one says, stay spooky, stay cozy and spooky. And this one says, boo to you, sweet soul. So definitely Halloween vibes. So much you can do with a background like this. Excited to see that. Next we have the embossing folder. Definitely fall vibes here. I know it's hard to see, so I have a piece of it right here. So this is what it looks like on the front, and then sometimes people also use the back. So very cool looking leaves. I definitely like how that feels as well. Then we have the stencil of the month. The stencil of the month are also leaves. So it is very much a fall vibe of a kit. So we've got leaves and stems in all of these cool shapes. And of course I will be creating with this as well and showing it to you. These are the little acorns. So you can see there's a little acorn there. It's hard to see, but I will get those created for you and show you as well. Then we have the clear stamp of the month. So the clear stamp of the month also has these little dies. Stencils, sorry. These little stencils and these little dies available. So this is one piece. These are all individual. We do have sentiment dies for anything that's 2 layers, as well as one for each of the items here. So with this being one piece, I do want to warn you that you can't really cut it all out in one pass. Once you stamp it, you're going to want to stagger your images, because if you try to do 2 next to each other, you're going to ruin your dies. So see how they overlap there if I tried to do those 2 together. Just make sure you do a couple passes if you want to cut all of them out, or if you just want to cut a few out. So there are a ton of little dies to cut these out here. Now, this. So the stitch die of the month came, and I was so excited to see what it was, and it is pumpkin tops. Look at that. So you have the stitching right along here, and then this is the top of the pumpkin with the leaves. So in this card I used the background and the pumpkins, and I will probably be adding some leaves to it, but I think it's just gorgeous, and I'll definitely show you next how I created this. Let me know if you have any questions, comments. This is for sale, the link down below for Spellbinders. It is for sale until September 27th. So definitely quickly go and get whichever one's your favorite, or all of them. There are also a couple that I don't have. The large die of the month, the small die of the month, the wax seal of the month, and I think 3D. There's a lot. So you do have the option of buying all of them together. It is definitely discounted if you compare how much it costs later. So definitely check out whichever one's your favorite. I do recommend looking at the small die of the month and the large die of the month though, because they are super cute and go out really well with all of these. So I will be buying those as well. And yeah, let me know what you think. I am excited to be able to create with the Spellbinders monthly kits for a couple months now. So I'll be going through at least December. I'll be able to showcase these for you. and we'll see how it goes from there. So let me know what you think. Is this something you like to see? Obviously you see me create stuff all the time with Spellbinders, so I'm excited that they have sent these to me to review for you. I mean, this is just gorgeous. I never would have thought pumpkin tops and stitching die, and they did it. And I love how it's got the fall vibe. You could also make it look like a flower if you don't want it to be a pumpkin top, but I absolutely love that. So let me know what you think. Stay tuned if you want to see me creating this, and thanks for watching.